I absolutely love my bikes. I love all of them. They're the conveyors of adventure, from an idea to a location. It's always a win. I'm always amazed at where these things will get me. You count on them. They get you there, they get you back again. Sometimes, well, they let you down. And when they let you down, it's a horrible feeling. This is my 2008 Honda Transam. Ultra reliable machine, but the environment that I ride it in is not very kind. Connections get dirty, mud gets into things, so occasionally you got to strip them down. Go over things, make sure they're good. That's good to get her a bit of a clean, and yeah, ready to go make some mischief. Oh, what a bike. Going for a ride. Righto, that was a good little ride. I'm reckoning we should have a beer. Righto, here we go. So this is one of them awesome little shacks that the barbie area, little shack thing. I've been here a few times for a beer. Log truck's in here at the moment though. As you can hear, log trucks they're logging up the back here, which is, you know, part of the Desi bush, logging. She's not a bad little shack, barbie spot for a cook up, hang your swag out if you've got nowhere else to go, or yeah, just come and have a barbie. It's not a bad spot. That was a bit of a test ride on the bike. I fixed the issue that we had in the last vid, and put about 450, 500 Ks on it now, and it hasn't done it again, but that was an actual flogging just to see what it was going to do. No issue. Appears to have been the fuse problem, and that should be the end of that. So anyway, what a spot. Check it out. That is not a bad forest. That's the little hut. See? It's pretty cool. Yeah, you know, good to have these spots here in Tassie that people just don't destroy. Two of them beer. Good spot as any. So if any of you mainland mob are interested in checking this place out, when you just come down here, we like to sing out when you get down here. You get your Harleys in here, no worries. And yeah, it's as good a spot as any to have a feed and frothy. Righto, so I took the drone out for a bit of a play. Didn't crash it, didn't lose it, didn't put it in a river. I'm happy with that. Normally I'll crash the bloody things. I'm getting better at it, I suppose. But may as well pack up and go to the next spot. Not exactly sure where that'll be. We'll go down to the coast and yeah, go and have a beer. Anyway, see how that works out.